Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through a collection of captivating wooden shelves that not only serve as practical storage solutions but also add warmth and character to your living space. We'll begin by discussing the timeless appeal of wooden shelves, learn about the various wooden types, finishes, and grains that can be incorporated into your design to match your interior style. Explore the magic of floating wooden shelves that appear to defy gravity. Discover how these minimalist shelves can hold a variety of items from books to decorative pieces, feel creating a sense of spaciousness. Dive into the world of rustic wooden shelves that bring a touch of countryside warmth to your home. We'll showcase how reclaimed wood and distressed finishes can infuse your space with character and nostalgia. Learn about the versatility of modern wooden shelf systems that adapt to your needs. We'll discuss how these customizable solutions allow you to create a shelving unit that suits your unique storage requirements. Explore the trend of open wooden shelves in kitchens, adding both functionality and a visually appealing showcase for your cookware, dishes, and herbs. Will provide tips on how to organize and style your kitchen shelves. So please subscribe my latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel and like and share this video to your relatives, design enthusiasts, and thanks for watching the complete video.